to be popping firecrackers in my hand. Here, I'll show you that they are not fake. Point at the ground. Oh, dud. Get away, I say. Okay, that's a dud. And now, I'm going to show you that it's not fake when I'm doing it in my hands.
Ouch.
Okay, on the count of 3, I'm going to do them simultaneously. I'm going to pick them up, pop it. Pick them up, pop it. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
They're not cooperating.
Dud.
Ashley, don't bite it. Ashley, don't do that. Ashley wants to bite them. That can't be good for her.
That fell out of my hands.
What are you doing?
She's my guard dog. That was a dud. She's my guard dog.
She's
She's
biting
seeing if
them.
they're safe. Hands are getting tired.
Goofy dog.
Oh, she had one on her lip. That's a dud.
What if it pops in her mouth? Make sure you don't
They
throw
don't
one
hurt,
down.
Mom. You think they don't? They
It's
think
gonna
they...
scare her.
What?
We'll scare her. Tighten.
God, all these are duds.
Tighten.
No, that was not a dud. Mom, God. It's not dog video.
Well, it should be.
Oh, sure.
Have you done any video of your cat?
No.
Well,
Oh, that one just...
people love cat
that one
videos.
just tore apart.
People love funny cat videos on the internet.
What will a cat do?
That cat is crazy. That cat is extremely entertaining.
Okay, I'll show you
Not
the
as
cat.
entertaining
I'll
as
show you
this,
the cat
but-
after I'm done with all these. Are you even zooming in on my hands?
Oh. It's so zoomed in. I mean, it doesn't have a very wide frame as it is.
Well, they can't see the freaking... I thought that was a dud. Oh, you could barely hear that pop. Jesus.
Whoa.
I want to just
Not
pop.
so close to your face.
Gotta squeeze it.
Muscle man. You're going to have to blow the deck.
No. Ow.
Double boy.
I'm gonna name
Cujo.
this-
Cujo.
I'm gonna name this Firecracker Challenge. See how many firecrackers you can pop in your hand. Cat dog.
Cujo. Cujo.
Mom!
What?
Record me! Seriously, Mom.
Oh, but you do the time, boy.
Seriously,
Dun-dun.
I'm not
Hello.
Seriously, stop. It's supposed to be on here. Nobody wants to see that.
Alright, are we almost done? My arm's tired. And my leg's getting tired. Titan's leaning all his weight on my leg.
More! Good.
I'm ready for our bike ride.
What's your problem, dog?
She's crazy. Look at that face. That tongue. Her tongue. It curls.
She's eating.
She gets it.
Almost done.
Thank goodness.
Should I go
I'm
first?
getting
Okay, double.
bitten.
That will work, and that will hurt probably. 2 duds. Up, down, up, down. Smells weird. Oh! Why are you recording the dog?
I'm getting bites.
Cool.
No, not cool.
I never get bites.
1,
No, no.
5.
No, there's 2 more. Literally. Actually. Seriously.
Seriously, literally, and actually.
Does.
Well, there sure were a lot of duds.
Yeah, because I'm squeezing in my hands.
Oh.
Like I'm messing up the thing.
Oh, you're getting them too moist, maybe.
That's all.
Okay.
Now let's go show the kitten. Do not stop that video.
I'm going to ride a bike, and you're supposed
No,
to be
first
coming
we're
with me.
going to do the kitten. Come on. Coming? Oh, first let's show you
Turn the video off.
Ashley. Titan.
Video off.
Scared of cameras?
Really face.
P. Diddy! Hello, sweetie. Place the camera down for a second. Oh. Come here. Come on. Look at him. Sweetie. Say hello. He has a mustache. That's why we call him P. Diddy. And a beard. She's a little kitten. He's only 2 months old. See if we can get him to purr. 1 second. Alright, I gotta go. My mom wants me to ride on a bike. Alright. Not.